Home, Cars V167 Mercedes-Benz GLE450 previewed, RM634k est alongside the launch of the locally assembled Mercedes-Benz GLC450 Coupé. Mercedes-Benz Malaysia also held a preview of the V167 Mercedes-Benz GLE at its Hungry for Adventure festival today. The fourth generation of Stuttgart's mid-range premium SUV, previously called the M-Class, is set to arrive soon with an estimated price of €633,888 for the GLE450 model. Riding on the new modular high architecture (MHA), the new GLE wears the company's latest SUV design language, with trapezoidal headlights flanking an upright octagonal grille. At the rear, you'll find wide-body colored C-pillars, a holdout of the original M-Class, and slim tail lights complete with blocky light guides. The GLE comes to Malaysia in AMG line trim, featuring a more aggressive front bumper with the AMG A-wing design, a studded diamond grille and a rear diffuser with integrated twin tailpipes. Also fitted are multi-beam LED headlights and a night package with gloss black highlights, while 22-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels fill the squared-off wheel arches. The interior is a bit of a departure from Mercedes' sedan range, with a sweeping van-like surround for the freestanding flat-screen panel, plus a rectangular design for the actual air vents. There's also a tall center console with leather-wrapped grab handles. For the first time, the GLE is being offered here in both 5-seater and 7-seater variants. Standard, the GLE comes with twin 12.3-inch displays, linked to the latest Mercedes-Benz User Experience (MBUX) infotainment system, the same one you'll find on the new A-Class. The Linguatronic voice control, operated by saying, "Hey Mercedes," can be used to control various functions of the car, such as the climate control and the 64-color ambient lighting. Other bits of kit include brushed aluminium dashboard trim, a panoramic sunroof, acoustic glass windscreen and side windows, and aromatic air suspension with the new 48-volt e-active body control system. The latter controls the spring and damper of each corner individually, allowing it to perform such tricks as rocking the car free if it gets stuck off-road. Power comes from a new M256 3.0-liter turbocharged straight-six, the same one you'll find in the CLS 450 that produces 367 horsepower at 5,500 to 6,100 revolutions per minute and 500 Nm of torque from 1,600 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. It's paired to a 48-volt mild hybrid system that provides a 22-horsepower, 250 Nm boost under hard acceleration, along with a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission and 4-MODIC all-wheel drive. The GLE450 model will be on display together with the GLC 304 model Coupé and various other Mercedes-Benz SUVs at the Hungry for Adventure Festival, which runs from now until March 24 at Santal Depot, Santal West. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT $1,135,888 or $1,695,888 previous post, Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 AMG LIN V167 D Burtonton D Malaysia, Harga Jakong Bermula $633,888 next post, Tiga Palumba Yang Bermula Dari Permainan Video Copyright 2019 Driven Communications SDNB HD. All rights reserved.